finished last time that I was exploring colors. I still am, to be honest. I didn't finish anything completely yet. And the pressure is there by now because the exhibitions are there within 2 months, I think. So I have to finish it within a month to be sure it's all ready to be on show. I do get the question a lot, what inspires me? Well, paintings, to be honest. I love to visit a museum and read books. I'm giving you an example. It is damaged already because I used it a lot. As I am really in love with a painting that I saw last year already for the first time in the Mauritshuis. It's really small and I like these really small treasures of art. And I wanted to recreate it. So you can imagine the vase that is on that still life. I can't buy it anymore. So if I do want to recreate that image, I have to recreate the vase too, and that's what I did. Here comes the funny part, because I like to do some research, and this artist, Balthasar van der Ast, he came from Middelburg, and that's exactly where I went to attend an opening of a new gallery. It's called Goeie Genade, very Dutch.
Wat heerlijk. Kom maar Lia, we gaan het doen.
So, is it a coincidence? I guess it is, but it's really nice, I think, to finish this art and later on bring it to where it came from, because they did ask me to exhibit with them. So I did again go to the museum this month, and I was lucky to get tickets for the new exhibition of Frans Hals. What I did like the most about all these paintings, that there was a couple and they were separated for 90 years. So these two paintings have been sold separately, and for the first time in 90 years they were reunited. Just a few highlights of the wonderful exhibition of Frans Hals in the Rijksmuseum. You should really go there and do get the book, because afterwards, if you have this book, you can just enjoy it again and again.